it feels like I'm going on somebody else's wedding rather than it's not my wedding. It was not my mehendi today. So I feel I'm just getting ready for somebody else's function and I'm very happy about it. Yeah.
Sam, you are very, very welcome to my wedding tomorrow.
I'll come.
ਰਾਵਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਤੱਕ ਥੱਕ ਗਈਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਹੋ ਰਾਵਾਂ ਤੱਕ ਤੱਕ ਥੱਕ ਗਈਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਕੱਲਿਆ ਰਹਿ ਰਹਿ ਅੱਕ ਗਈਆਂ ਮੈਂ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਪਲ ਦਿਲ ਕਿੜ ਕੇ ਗੁਜ਼ਾਰਦਾ ਜਾ ਪਰਦੇਸੀਆਂ ਵਾਸਤਾ ਹੀ ਪਿਆਰ
Actually, we were neighbors since I think right from when we were born, and we went to the same school in pre-nursery, nursery, right from first till 10th. But we never, talked, and we never met each other. We never knew. We just coexisted. We never spoke to each other. So in 11th, we both elected for science, and that's how we got into the same class. Then we started talking. I started to like her. I even proposed to her on Valentine's Day in 11th. And what happened then?
I denied.
ਆਜਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੀਆਂ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੀਆਂ ਢੋਲਣਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੀਆਂ ਆਜਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੀਆਂ
Yeah, but we stayed good friends right till the end of school, and even beyond that. We used to hang out as friends, once or twice a year. But then when our college was about to end, that's when I think the spark happened and we started dating.
ਪੂਰੇ ਦੀ ਹਵਾ ਚੱਲੇ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਡੋਲਦਾ ਹੋ ਪੂਰੇ ਦੀ ਹਵਾ ਚੱਲੇ ਦਿਲ ਮੇਰਾ ਡੋਲਦਾ ਕੰਬ ਕੰਬ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਕਾਂ ਕਿਤੇ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਆਵੇ ਤੇ ਸੁਣਾਵਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਵਿਛੋੜਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਆਜਾ ਪਰਦੇਸੀਆਂ ਵਾਸਤਾ ਹੀ ਪਿਆਰ ਦਾ
I love her to the moon and back.
Dogecoin.
ਆਜਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੀਆਂ ਸੱਜਣਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੀਆਂ ਢੋਲਣਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੀਆਂ ਆਜਾ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਉਡੀਕਦੀਆਂ
My grandfather played a very important role, and it was just a simple phrase that he used to say: "बाँ जिना दी फड़िए, सिर दीजे बाँ ना छड़िए."
Which means?
Which means once you hold someone's hand, you can't let it go. You hold it for life.
ਬਾਹੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਕੜੀਏ ਬਾਹੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਕੜੀਏ ਸਿਰ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਬਾਹੇ ਨਾ ਛੋੜੀਏ ਸਿਰ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਬਾਹੇ ਨਾ ਛੋੜੀਏ ਬਾਹੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਕੜੀਏ ਬਾਹੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਕੜੀਏ
The first moment that I felt that she's the one would be when she told me that she does Japji Sahib ka part almost every day, and that made me feel quite a connection with her.
ਬਾਹੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਕੜੀਏ ਬਾਹੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਕੜੀਏ ਸਿਰ ਦੀ ਜੇ ਬਾਹੇ ਨਾ ਛੋੜੀਏ ਬਾਹੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਕੜੀਏ ਬਾਹੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਕੜੀਏ
That one thing that you both would like to say to your parents and your parents as well.
I'll just tell them. They have supported me immensely, and that's what it is.
Tell them how much you love them.
I'm not a person who would say out loud. I would rather act towards it. So my language would not be a verbal language. So I think my parents know it. I can't do it in front of them, so here it comes. But yeah, it's okay. I'm not planning to cry tomorrow. I'm going to play catch whenever that happens. So.
Mom, Dad, love you so much. I just can't thank you enough. I never do. I look up to you, each one of you, in my day-to-day decisions that I take. You guys have been there always. Can't thank you enough. इन लो आपका सपना पूरा कर रहे हैं, ला रहे हैं क्यूट सी छोटी सी बहू.
हाँ, and his mother said कल ही कि फिर से एक छोटा बच्चा ला रहे हो.
Treat me so mean, you're the meanest old woman that I ever seen. I guess if you say so, I'll pack my things and go.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more. What you say? Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
Must be talking.
Hit the road, Jack.
What you say?
Woman, don't you treat me this way, cause I'll be back on my feet someday.
I don't care if you do it Sundays, dude. You ain't got no money, you're just another go. I don't care if you do it Sundays, dude. You ain't got no money, you're just another go.
Well, I guess if you say so, I pack up my things and go. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
Must be talking.
When she's in good mood, she would make fun of herself like no one can ever could. And I think I find it very funny. For example, after a long day, she would, come up to me and say, मेरे घुटने में दर्द हो रहा है. And it's been mentally very tiring. क्योंकि मेरा दिमाग तो घुटने में ही है.
No one ever said that.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more.
Hit the road, Jack, and don't you come back no more.
Don't you come back no more, no more, no more. Don't you come back no more. Don't you come back no
Must be
more.
talking.
Don't you come back
I do not understand you.
Don't you come back no
Oh,
more.
baby, please.
Don't you come back no more.
We both believe in secret. So the secret, we know we have to imagine, believe, and it happens. And that's how it's happening. Actually, it's happening.
Throw it out in there in the universe and one shall receive.
And universe does response to all your queries. So yes. And I've followed it. I've actually done it. For us, yes, that's a secret.
That was a secret.
मांगा है तुझे रब से मैंने, क्यों है फिर हर जाई जिस्मों का ये खेल नहीं बस रूह की है तुरबाई ओ घर आजा परदेसी कि तेरी मेरी एक जिंदड़ी ओ घर आजा परदेसी
After
कि
tomorrow,
तेरी मेरी
I'm
एक
going to
जिंदड़ी
go back to my normal life. That's what I'm looking forward to. So tomorrow is like, yes.
After tomorrow,
Yeah.
we're gonna celebrate the victory.
Yeah, exactly. So, yeah. Maybe.
उड़ जा काले कावा तेरे मुँह च खंड पावा ले जा तू संदेशा मेरा मैं सदके जावा बागों में फिर झूले पड़ गए पक गईयां मिट्टियां अंबियां ये छोटी सी जिंदगी विच रातां लंबियां लंबियां हो घर आजा परदेसी कि तेरी मेरी एक जिंदड़ी हो घर आजा परदेसी कि तेरी मेरी एक जिंदड़ी हो घर आजा परदेसी कि तेरी मेरी एक जिंदड़ी हो घर आजा परदेसी कि तेरी मेरी एक जिंदड़ी
If I have to tell you how much I love you, I would only want you to remember that how I was 10 years ago and how I am today. It's all because of your love.
हो घर आजा परदेसी कि तेरी मेरी एक जिंदड़ी हो घर आजा परदेसी कि तेरी मेरी एक जिंदड़ी हो घर आजा परदेसी कि तेरी